So the first one is, now notice there's no of this or this. These are composite. This means function substitution. This is different than this. This means to add the f and g function together. That's just it. Now, you could do it two ways. I'll do it both ways. If you want to do the vertical format or you want to do the horizontal format. So take the f function. It's 2x squared minus x. What's the g function? Plus 3x squared plus 5. See how it's f plus g? There's f plus g. And then all you do is combine like terms. So 2x squared, 3x squared is 5x squared minus x, that's it, plus 5, that's my only constant, and that's it. That's it. So it's quick. Okay, obviously I'll do the subtraction one with you when we come down to this, because you have to distribute the negative. That's the big, like, oopsie students make. Okay, this is a horizontal format. If you would like to do the vertical format, so 2x squared minus x is the f function, 2x squared minus x. G function is 3x squared, no x, plus 5. If you would like to do the vertical format and just go ahead and add down, you know, tomato, tomato, whatever you prefer. They're both the same. Yeah? Okay, do you want me to do a subtraction one, or you want me to wait, or what do you want to do? Subtraction? Okay, so you can do two. So then the third one here, let's see which ones. I haven't done it. Oh, because this has a negative. Oh, they're both the same actually. They're equal. Okay, so let's do g minus h. So g minus h of, not of, don't do that. Let's go back to this. Okay, you are subtracting. This is the one where you have to be really, really careful. You have to distribute the negative to each and every term afterwards. So some of you will do it as you write it. Some of you will write it after. You got to figure it out. Okay, g of x is 3x squared plus 5. Minus, because this is a subtraction symbol. If you are subtracting, I would suggest, okay, I would suggest on the next function, which is h, you put parentheses around it so that you remind yourself you have to perform the distributive property, which basically means you just switch the sign of each of the three terms. Keep going? Yeah. Okay, so what do I get? 3x squared plus 5. Subtraction negative x squared is positive x squared. Subtraction positive 2 is minus 2x. Subtraction negative 3 is positive 3. And now you just go ahead and combine like terms. So 3x squared, 1x squared, 4x squared, 2x, and then constant plus 8. Okay, so then some students might say, okay, well, let me take the first function, g, 3x squared plus 5. It remains unchanged. Now you're going to take the subtraction, and so then some students might look at the h function here, and they might just switch and say, okay, it's subtraction, so everything switches. So plus x squared minus 2x, and then plus 3, and even though this one's a little off, let's put it over here. Now you get your 4x squared minus 2x plus 8. So if you want to first write it correctly and then distribute the negative, you can, or you can just, as you write it, just switch the signs on a subtraction. Just figure out what you think you'll make the least mistakes, because it's a common find one. Like, you'll do it for the first two, and just because you're rushing in your head, you did it, you forgot to switch the -3 to +3. It's common. So just make sure you and your partner just kind of verify each other. Yeah. I don't know, what is it? Where? Oh, the first one? Yeah, right here. This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Just as in time.
I know, right? I know. Oh, they're supposed to match. Did you guys get out at first period? Yeah. And then I can give you your quiz after this. Fair. So this is what we'll do tomorrow. You won't get, we'll work on this sheet tomorrow. If you finish the other sheet, I'll give you credit for it. But if you notice, because these are operations, what are your operations? Right on a calculator, add, subtract, multiply, divide. And so that's what you have here. And then there's a little bit of composites at the bottom. Okay. All right. So let me,